today we will discuss towards development of professional management in hospital. Government has to spend a large part of resources for the healthcare institutions. Developing countries have to spend a large amount of recurrent government health resources for healthcare institutions. Hospitals absorb a large amount of healthcare resources. The percentage of expenditure is not same in all countries. Most of the countries spend 50 to 80% of government health resources in terms of money and skilled healthcare personnel. All these are used in different healthcare institutions. If hospital shows managerial and technical inefficiency, then the large amount of recurrent healthcare expenditure will be a total waste. Professional management in hospital should be introduced so that efficiency of hospital can be increased, healthcare expenditure can be controlled, and managerial efficiency can be improved. Now is the leadership in healthcare. In healthcare sector, leaders have to understand the behavior of others, that means internal and external customers, because the services which are provided by the healthcare is individualized professional care. So the needs and behavior of individuals must be noticed. In management, managers have to set goals and they also have to develop strategies so that they can reach the goals. At last, outcomes should be evaluated. If the result is not desirable, then the plan should be altered and new goals should be set. Managers perform all managerial functions like planning, organizing, implementing, motivating, and evaluating the results. Managers should have a proper mix of technical, conceptual, and human skills, and they should participate in different training programs to improve their knowledge level, application of knowledge, and analysis skill. This will ultimately help them to improve the quality of patient care. For professional administration, it is important to maintain the high level quality management in the hospital. In the new era, managers should have multidisciplinary knowledge. They should have knowledge regarding all the happening topics. An administrator with multidisciplinary training helps to utilize the resources economically to maintain standardization of healthcare sectors to collect data for proper evaluation of performance. Now, the importance of specialized skills. With the complexity of technology, maintaining coordination among different hospital activities is becoming a tough job, and that is why healthcare managers should have specialized skill. Hospital is complex entity as it is dealing with human being, means patients. There is a complex mixture of medical, paramedical, and administrative staff. So, a good synchronization should be maintained among all kind of staff. While formulating policies, policymakers should keep in mind the whole processes of the hospital, that is outpatient care, diagnostic care, inpatient care, the community care. That means the total pre-hospitalization and post-hospitalization process. The hospital staff should be trained enough so that they can implement the theories into practical life. Then professionalization. Nowadays, hospital industry has gone through changes, and that is why professionalization in hospital industry is necessary. As hospitals are dealing with patients, it is very much essential for a hospital to maintain a professional outlook throughout the world. In India, there are many government hospitals, maybe state or central government, and so it is the responsibility of the government to invest resources to maintain the professional outlook of the hospitals. That will give long-term benefit, and it will create an environment of trust, which is very much important in any service sector. Without maintaining professionalization, not any investment will be cost effective in case of government healthcare sector. Professional training and continuous development are necessary for all kinds of hospital staff for maintaining professional outlook. This kind of professional training can only be given by the institutes who are well known for specialized professional training like B schools. Medical care facilities. Nowadays, everybody is complaining regarding poor patient care and overcrowded waiting areas of healthcare institutions. Poor patient care is not expected from any healthcare institutes. As India is an overpopulated country, so it is difficult for government to provide healthcare through institutional care for all the population, because a huge amount of financial resources will be required. So, government should be careful enough for proper utilization of available resources so that it can be managed properly. So, nowadays, providing patient satisfaction, continuous improvement of patient care are regarded as challenges in hospital management. So, hospital authority should strengthen the hospital administration. For that reason, professionalization is important for healthcare. Development of hospital administration. Actually, the history of hospital administration. In the early 1960s, Dr. J.R. McGivney, an eminent hospital consultant from USA, was invited to develop professional hospital administration. As per recommendation of Dr. Gibney, Master of Hospital Administration or MHA was first started at the AIIMS, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi, in the year 1963. It was planned to initiate professional hospital administration. Next, 2 years postgraduate degree course in Community Health Administration was started by National Institute of Health and Family Welfare. After that, the prestigious academic institutions like Tata Institute of Social Science, Mumbai, Delhi University have started hospital administration course. Need for training. To achieve the targets of health for all by the year 2000, any country has to overcome their all weaknesses in the management process like planning, organizing, staffing, etc. of healthcare institutions. Health systems should be changed by adopting professionalization in hospital management. This is also recommended by WHO. There are some other factors which also support the above recommendations are professional management can be implemented in every field and the principles of management is applicable in any area of service and production industry. Government has to spend a large amount of health resources for the hospitals. Rapid advancement of technology and multiple area of knowledge. Patients are now aware about the health and disease. Growing cost of technology and healthcare is a serious problem. Corporate hospitals are also coming in current scenario, so providing care and patient satisfaction according to the level of corporate hospitals is a real challenge. Medical requirements. Healthcare institutes must upgrade their certain areas, mainly 4 areas, to ensure the continuous care, timely maintenance of medical equipments is necessary. For the betterment of the organization, participative and integrative management is necessary. Then it is necessary to evaluate and compare the results with the objectives and proper corrective measures should be taken. Adopting the change plan is necessary for the organization to make it more successful. Strengthening health services management. Strengthening the healthcare services is important for any country. For strengthening healthcare services, government should think about healthcare sector seriously. Good administration can help in proper utilization of resources. Management programs should be conducted so that good administrators can be available. Properly trained managers can train their subordinates. It will create an environment of learning in the organization. During training, examples from practical field help the organization staff to be interested and motivated towards work. Multi-professional teamwork should be encouraged in the organization. Now we will discuss existing scenario. There are 150 teaching hospitals, 500 district hospitals, more than 3000 community health centers, 22,000 primary health care centers and 12,000 other hospitals in India. Very few hospitals are administered effectively by efficient and trained managers. Very few number of hospitals can utilize their resources effectively due to lack of full-time good hospital managers. Many hospitals are managed by senior physicians just because of their seniority, although they don't have any formal training regarding how to manage a hospital. Now we are optimistic and we are looking ahead. Nowadays, most of the private corporate hospitals are run by professionally trained hospital managers, and due to good management, these hospitals are providing better patient care. It is important to introduce professionalization in hospital administration. And administrators having short-term training on hospital administration is necessary for a small hospital having 51 to 100 beds. An administrator having PG diploma in hospital administration from a reputed institute is necessary for a medium-sized hospitals having 101 to 300 beds. An administrator having PG degree in hospital administration is necessary for a large hospitals having 301 or 301 and above number of beds. Now we will discuss future market of professional management. In future, there is an immense opportunity for professional management, and as the demand of specialized medical care facilities and services are increasing, so the future market of professional management is very bright. Corporate hospitals are now more focused on providing professional and quality care to the patients. As the technology is changing in the medical field and the people are increasing their awareness regarding rights of patients, the cost of service is increasing, and for all this reason, hospital has to incur a high operational cost, and for all these reasons, the hospitals which don't have any professional management till very present day, they have to change their management style in near future for their existence in the present market. Now the financing agencies are also present in the market like IDBI. In near future, to gain stability in the market, healthcare sectors will have to change themselves, and for this reason, implementation of professional management is the only alternative. Now, the strategies towards development of hospital management as a profession. For implementing professional management, few strategies can be taken. First one is professional education. Professional study which will cover management courses is important, because these courses will give the trainees a good practical knowledge regarding professional healthcare administration. Workshops, seminars and conferences can help the trainees to gain knowledge, because they can communicate the experts like world-known academicians and professionals. Scope of research on healthcare management can give an avenue. Specialized training program can be arranged by different experts for the working professional to upgrade their knowledge regarding current innovations. Different recorded films or case studies can be shared with the trainees. Different research programs, experiments, competition, symposium can be arranged. All these will help to share knowledge among the trainees. Next can be membership and certification. To develop the hospital management profession, different professional body can be created. This will give a much professional look. Without proper qualification, no one can be the member of these professional bodies. Next is professional publication. Publication of books, magazines, journals can be done. It will help to share personal experiences of different professionals. Different professionals can share their own experiences. Personal professional services. Career counseling will help the healthcare sector to get the right person for the right job. Thank you.